Welcome everybody to SK Lifestyle. Thank you for joining me today. Right now we're going to do the jet ski trunk challenge. That's right, I'm gonna see if I can fit all this stuff right here and it's a lot of it into this jet ski. Now my jet ski has just over 30 gallons of storage. Some of the larger jet skis have about 40 gallons of storage and some of the smaller ones about half of what I got. So we're gonna see how easy it is to fit all this kind of stuff and stuff you really want to take. Life jackets, bumpers, tie-offs, wetsuit, hey, even a small little cooler for some Gatorades or something, right? So we're gonna see how well it works, and then right after we can talk about how well it went and what you can kind of expect from some of the newer jet skis, some of the older ones, and just all around being out on a jet ski for the day on the water. So let's get started and subscribe to SK Lifestyle. This thing is chock full. So you got your life jacket right up here if you needed to really put it in there. But without that extra life jacket, everything is pretty much accessible. So you can see I have my tie-offs right here. I have some bumpers at the ready. I do have a couple of pool noodle fenders that are right on the side here. So those are actually accessible as well. And then I have stuff like my fishing kit or something. You know, wherever you're gonna get to where you're going, probably take that out right away. You got your cooler right here, easy to be able to take it out. So that's the majority of the stuff. And of course I do have like my med kit and stuff, and that is a little farther down along with the paddle right down in there. So this part is gonna bend in a lot. So whatever you have right in the front nose piece, it's great to have something that's super flexible. So that's why I like to put ropes or something there, because they can easily be squished. You're never gonna worry about them getting messed up. But you don't want like your lunchbox there or something. You have a squished sandwich or, you know, something important like, you know, your equipment or whatever you're gonna be using. So just be mindful, something to think about. All right, so I think we did pretty good. We pretty much fit everything in there except for this. And if I didn't put the cooler in there, then I'm sure I could have probably fit this as well. But many people are gonna wear their life jackets or just hook them off into the back. So not the biggest deal in the world, but this is just an example of what it's like to pack. And of course, as you watched me do it, there was a slight method to it. You want to use things that you want to put things that you're not going to use that often down at the bottom and off to the side. Things that you're going to use a lot, you want to have right in the middle and off to the top and to the sides where you can get to them easy. Trust me, I've had a lot of instances where I needed to tie off real quick and I'm rummaging through everything to try to get it, because this jet ski, when you're getting to it, you have to lean over the handlebars. So it's not that easy when you're spinning around in a circle in the water, when it's choppy and rocking, when you really need something quick. You know, it's a lot easier if you can just and go versus spending 2 or 3 minutes trying to pull everything out or move it to the side and so forth. So you need to really think about that. Some of the newer jet skis, of course, this whole front section will lift up, it's a lot easier to access. So if you're questioning, you know, if you really have a large family or you bring a lot of stuff and you're looking for a new jet ski, then perhaps one of the newer ones are gonna help you out a little. It might be more accessible, easier to use, and therefore you may get more use out of it, because sometimes it is hard to cram in all these different spots and then actually get use out of this stuff. But I make do. I certainly love this jet ski. I really appreciate the amount of storage that is in there. And of course, if you need other stuff, you can tie it off to the back or whatever, and we make do like that all the time. So I hope this video was helpful to you all out there, or at least a little entertaining, to watch all that stuff get crammed into the front of the jet ski. I know when I was out there looking for my jet ski, purchasing it for the first time, everything concerned me, everything was a question, or I was just intrigued to know what it was going to be like. So perhaps this is helpful to you, or perhaps you're just like me, you already own one and it's just a crazy task every time and it was just interesting to watch. Either way, leave those comments down below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and with that said, see you on the next video. SK Lifestyle.